What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Nissan Cube Smart Key remote fob. This Nissan Cube key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2025, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and I'm going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to grab my screwdriver, and if we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, off to the one side we see there's this notch right here that the end of my screwdriver's on, and you want to choose a size screwdriver that will fit in that notch, because I'm going to stick the screwdriver in there like that and then twist, and as I do that you can see it starts to open the case. Once you get the case started, you can take your screwdriver and just carefully kind of work your way down the side and pull it the rest of the way apart like that. And in the back half of our case, we see our battery right here. I'm going to use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that new battery with the plus side down. And I'm going to start this edge in first, this edge that's by that metal battery clip. So kind of tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we can snap the two halves back together, put our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.